Yes, very good afternoon, students. So today we are to start with your exercise 3.1. First question है आपका, you are given a matrix and you have to write the order of the matrix, number of elements, and you have to give the entries A13, A21, A33, A24 and A23. Okay, moving to your first part, order of the matrix. For order of the matrix, we know that the definition for the order of matrix is number of rows multiplied by number of columns. Now let us see how many rows are there. We are having 3 rows and columns कितने हैं बेटा इसमें 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns are there. So 3 rows and 4 columns. So this will give the order of the matrix as 3 multiplied by 4. This is the order of the matrix. Next is the number of elements. And we know that number of elements is equals to what? It is equals to the multiplication of number of rows and the number of columns. That is, it is 12. So 12 entries are there. And next is find the value of A13. Yes, A13 is what? A1. That is first row, third entry. This is 19. Then A21. A21 means second row, first column. Second row, first column. The answer is 35. Then is A33. Third row, third column. Third row, third column. Entry is -5. Then is A24. Second row, fourth column. Entry is 12. And then A23. Entry is second row, third column is 5/2. Right. So this is your first question. Now moving to your question number 2. Your question number 2 is, if the matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders it can have, and what if it has 13 elements? Okay, if the matrix has 24 elements, बेटा 24 elements का मतलब क्या हुआ? जितने elements हैं that is the order. What are the possible orders? Now order क्या होता है हमारे पास? Number of rows multiplied by number of columns. ठीक है. So and the number of elements क्या है? वो भी number of rows into number of columns होता है. Means number of elements मुझे दिए हुए हैं 24. ठीक है. सो अब मेरे पास ये 24 के क्या फैक्टर्स बन सकते हैं, रोज और कॉलम्स मुझे वो बता देंगे. ठीक है. बिकॉज उन्होंने क्या बोला, दे हैव यूज्ड द वर्ड पॉसिबल ऑर्डर्स. सो इफ आई एम हैविंग नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स एज 24, तो व्हाट आर द पॉसिबल फैक्टर्स दैट विल गिव मी द नंबर ऑफ रोज एंड द नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स. फर्स्ट पॉसिबिलिटी इज 1 into 24 मीन्स एक ही रो हो और उसी में ही 24 एलिमेंट्स हो जाए. सेकेंड ऑप्शन क्या है? 2 into 12, that is also 24, means 2 rows and 12 columns. Next is 4 into 6, that is 4 rows and 6 columns. Next 3 into 8, that is 3 rows, 8 columns. Also we can have 24 into 1, that is 24 columns, 24 rows and only 1 column. ठीक है. And then is 12 into 2, that is 12 rows and 2 columns. Next is 6 into 4, that is 6 rows, 4 columns. And the next is 8 into 3, that is 8 rows and 3 columns. Thus the possible orders with the 24 elements are these. And next है आपके पास, what of is the order of the matrix if it is having 13 elements. But a 13 is a prime number. तो आपके पास इसकी possibilities क्या हो सकते हैं? It is only 1 into 13 or 13 into 1. तो इसके पास आपके पास क्या order हो सकता है? 1/13 और 13/1. ठीक है.